Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So let's discuss the Nifty and Index level update for coming week. Along with that, I will discuss some important news which is very important to know to predict the levels for next week. So I will discuss those important news also. And yes, the stock in news which is actually in news because of some reason, and I will discuss their buying level and fundamental also. So all these things I'm going to discuss. For that, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for the regular index level update and stock in news update. So let's start video with some important news which is important to know because of these news may affect the market for next week. So what all that news I will discuss one by one. Please pay your attention on these news. I will discuss one by one, but I will discuss in short. You may go for the detail also. So first news is GDP data. Yes, last week our GDP data came, and that I will discuss one by one. The Q1 जो Q1 data था ये from April to June का. From April to June Q1 GDP data came, which was actually not very disappointing, but it is less than expectation. Yes, Q1 25 FY25 GDP growth is 6.7%, which is actual, and the expected data was 6.9%. Means from 6.9% to it has become 6.7%, which I will say it is very negligible decline, 0.2% ka, but it is, yes, not met the expectation. And GDP growth Q1Q, if we see, so that is 7.8% was in last Q quarter, which was actually, we can say, Jan to March ka. That Jan to March quarter, the GDP growth was 7.8%, or now this has become now 6.7%. If we compare Y on Y, the last year it was in same quarter it was 8.2%, and now it has become 6.7%. So means तीनों कंडीशन से I have compared Q1Q, Y on Y and expected data. So तीनों ही point of view से this data has declined very slightly. Number two, this was important news. GDP growth, GDP data जो आया था, which may little bit affect markets. That we will see next week. I don't think it is going to affect market badly. Means market is going to fall 1% point. Not it is not going to happen. Yes, slightly it may affect, but it may not affect also. Number two is the sugar. One news came which is related to sugar sector. That was actually government removed that cap on sugar division for ethanol production in this financial year 24-25. So this news affected the sugars stock. They were just surging like on Friday. It has surged. I think more than 8%. The sugar stock was surging on Friday. So this news affected the sugar sector, and yes, sugar stock is also on radar. So this news from the sugar sector. The government has removed cap from the sugar diversion for the ethanol production. Number three news which is important I want to discuss, that is Reliance industry is going to give the bonus share. Yes, and that is very important, and I am going to make one video for the Reliance stock. They are going to decide on all the detail of the bonus share on 5th of September, and 5th of September tak we will get the all news about the bonus uh, from the Reliance industry. So I will come up after that day, so with the full information. जो कि अभी हमें एक्स डेट एंड ऑल दैट पता नहीं है. So I will make video on this Reliance stock, which is stock in news. So I discussed already कि I am going to share the stock in news with their buying level and their fundamental also. So I will make the video on the Reliance. So this is also a very good news for the Reliance shareholder. All detail I will share in the separate video in coming week after 5th September. After 5th September. And so this was very important news which I wanted to discuss. Now quickly I will go to the chart and we'll discuss the Nifty chart. What is happening from here in Nifty 50 from here is made a very good support, I will say, and from here it has taken reversal, very good candle here, and from here it never looked back. Consecutively, continuously it is going forward, and you will be happy that even it has crossed its all-time high, which was 25,080 around. Exact is 25,778. Yes, 25,078, and it has broken this on this day, on Thursday, on 29th August, and it has broken this barrier, and from there it has given a breakout, I will say. And on Friday it was just doing time pass, means it was actually not giving any move on this day. So what was actually happening? See, from here it was all time high. Okay, from here it has totally taken U-turn, and abhi 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, since 11 to 12 days it is only going to forward. See, it is going to forward only, it is going to upward, I will say. So this now has become a good support, which is actually 25,000 around for the Nifty 50. Let's see what is happening. It is, this candle is actually we can say ki it is only means no movement happened on Friday, and it was just indecisive candle, and it has not taken any direction on Friday. After this breakout is done, definitely breakout happened, but it has not taken any good move next day. So from here we can say, if this zone, which this level, which is 25,270 around, this level, this 25,270 is a good resistance, or if it's breaking this 25,270, it will go to 25,650 around. But I'm not jumping on that level now because it has taken this resistance here. Okay, so if we want we can take this upward also, and I can say this 25,650 can be a next level for the Nifty. But let it break, this to 25,270 first. So we'll see what is happening. It will be interesting to watch out this level is Nifty is going to break or not, or it is again falling back to this first support level, which is 25,000 around. 25,050 78 or 25,000, I am taking exact 25,000 जो कि psychological support भी है. It will act like a immediate support for the Nifty 50, but if it's taking support here and again going back, it may reach to this 25,650. Next support can be this 20 EMA, which is 24,800. So I am taking this level also because अगर ये तोड़ देता है तो ये लेवल पे भी जा सकता है. तो एज आई ऑलवेज इन फुल वीडियो आई ऑलवेज डिस्कस 2-3 सपोर्ट. सो आई एम taking this support also for the backup if it's breaking this level. So keep this level also in your mind, but first level is 25,000 only. So be mindful with this level also, 24,800, and this 25,270. So finally, if we predict the level, it can be Nifty 50 can trade between support 25,000 and resistance 25,650, but only after breaking 25,270. And yes, this 24,800 is also a level. So these 2 3 levels you should keep in your mind for the next week. Now let's quickly go to the Nifty Bank chart, and we can see what is happening here. Nifty Bank chart. And yeah, one more important thing which I want to discuss, that Nifty 50 RSI is also not means over बॉट जोन, कोई ओवर वैल्यूड निफ्टी 50 मुझे ओवर वैल्यूड नहीं दिख रहा, ओवर बॉट नहीं दिख रहा. सो आई कैन से कि RSI is also very good. But one more thing which you should know, some RSI divergence I can see, bearish divergence. That is not only one thing we can decide that Nifty is going to fall. So yes, RSI divergence is happening, bearish divergence is happening, of course, on RSI indicator. So this is important thing I wanted to discuss about RSI in the Nifty 50 chart. And now discuss the Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank में जो हो रहा है कि like it is taking support here 50,000, 51,000 around, and 51,000 के आसपास it is taking support. And from here also, if we see, it is also made a very good base here, and now from here it is going up, and it also never looked back. It's from here it has taken a journey toward this level and toward upside. So this is also in a very good uptrend, but yes, this is very much down from its all-time high, which I can see here this is 53,360 around. So from here it is fallen much, it has fallen much. So it is going upward. Yes, it is not that positive like Nifty 50, but yes, its RSI it's also in coming in a bullish area. So this you can see. Now what can be the resistance? This is important resistance. Nifty being bank always faced here, 1 2, and from here it has fallen again, then again it has taken a good resistance here, and from here it has given breakout, and then again here support and resistance. So this level is very important, where Nifty Bank may take rest or may fall back to this support, which is 50 MA also and 20 MA also. Both the lines are actually overlapping. So this can be a very good support, which is 50,900 around is a very good support for the Nifty Bank, and the 51,800 is a resistance. We are not, as we are talking short term, weekly prediction, so we are not jumping on next level. This can be a very crucial level for the Nifty Bank, which is Nifty Bank trading range can be support 50,900, and the resistance can be 51,800. So this was the overall short picture of the stock market, and I will repeat again the level. Nifty 50 support 25,000 and resistance 25,270, and after that 25,650, and Bank Nifty support 50,900 and resistance 51,800 around. So if you have any query regarding any stock, regarding any index level, You can comment me below in the comment box, and you can DM me also on the id is on the screen and in bio also. And yes, like and share the video and subscribe the channel also for the stock in news. I'm coming up with that, the Reliance stocks bonus share news. And others also, I'll keep sharing the stock which is in news because of any reason. Stay connected to the channel and subscribe the channel for regular update of the stock market. Signing off.